Hello all. In this video, we will discuss on how we can install an Azure DevOps agent in an interactive mode. So first, let's start off with the prerequisites. First, we need the Azure DevOps organization, and the Azure DevOps organization URL will be used while we are registering an agent. And then the local machine or the virtual machine in which we'll be installing the or configuring the Azure DevOps agent. Third is the personal access token, which we are going to use during the configuration of Azure DevOps agent. Last, we can get the installation package from the Azure DevOps org. So I'll start off with the installation first. So now I have been navigated to the agent pool section in my project. And if you see, default agent pool is the one which I have used to configure an agent. So this agent has been installed as a service. So now I'm going to install an agent in an interactive. First, I will click on new agent. And this is the page where we can download the package that needs to be used for installing the DevOps agent. So I have already downloaded this package. So we are cool with this step. And I have placed it here. So this is the zip folder that we would get when we click on download option. So I have extracted it. So let me just navigate to that folder, and here you see. So these are the folders and files which would be available in that downloaded package. As you see, there are two commands from files. So config.cmd would be used to configure the agent. Run.cmd is used to run the agent. And these two folders, so the bin contains the binaries of the required agent, and external folders would contain the required dependencies. So this is how the folder structure look like before we install an agent. So in this PPT, I have also showed you this folder structure and the files that would be available before the agent installation. So now let me start off with the installation process. So this is the folder or directory where I have the packages saved. So let me open up the command prompt in an administrator mode and let me change the directory. Okay, so now here you go. I have changed my directory. Now let me run config.cmd. Okay, now I need to enter the Azure DevOps org URL. So let me copy it. So this is my Azure DevOps organization URL. Copying it. I'm gonna use PAD for authentication, and this is where I'm going to create a new PAD. So created a new PAD, copying it, and let me provide my token here. Cool. So it has connected to the Azure DevOps organization, and now we need to provide the agent pool and agent details. I'm going to install it in the same agent pool. Agent pool name is default, and the name that I'm gonna interactive agent. So this is the agent name. Okay. Now I'm going to click on enter. So the work folder would be created there, and enter run agent as service. So I'm not going to install it as a service. So I'm going to uh, select N. So I need to click on enter. So let me give the default. Cool. This seems to be configured now. Now, let me take you to the Azure DevOps page, and let's see if we are able to see the agent. So this is the agent pool. And under the agent section, we are able to see two agents. Interactive agent is the one which I have configured just few seconds back, and it shows offline, right? So in order to turn it on, we need to run the run.cmd command. See, now let me check if the agent is gonna be online, and it is checking for capabilities. And if you see, it's connecting to the server, and then it's gonna listen for the jobs. Okay, there you go. Here you can see that agent has come online. Okay, so this is how you can install the agent in an interactive mode. Now we shall see what are the uses, or when do we use an interactive mode of Azure DevOps agent. So the interactive mode of Azure DevOps agent would allow us to execute commands in a temporary console. So if we need to open up a command prompt, and we need to run the run command so that the agent comes online, and we can do the required test, and we can achieve whatever we need to do with that interactive agent. And for example, if the developers are working on a specific bug, or if they are working on a specific feature, right? So they themselves can go ahead and run unit test in their local environment. Instead of configuring it in the pipelines, they can at least complete the unit test with the help of these interactive mode of agents. And the other point to be noted is like, when it comes to the Azure DevOps agent, which has been configured as a service, so the agent would be online whenever the service is on. But here, once we close the Windows terminal, the agent would go offline. So I can show you here. Now you see the interactive agent shows online. Now let me go and close this terminal. See, now the agent has come offline. Hope you all like this video. We will discuss more about Azure DevOps features in the upcoming videos. Thank you all for watching.